Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about changing the language of your TikTok account or the search information on TikTok on your web browser on your computer. So whether it's a Windows or Mac device, basically the web browser version, PC version. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select your user icon in the top right and select the language underneath settings. So it probably will say English for you, but it may say something else. Go ahead and select that. Select whatever language you want to switch it to. And then once you're done, it should take effect immediately. You may have to restart the browser or restart the TikTok website. You might have to refresh the page and the change should take effect. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.